Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro, and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find Biometrics and password. Then let's tap on Fingerprint ID and basically, if you've got the screen lock, a regular screen lock, then you will be transferred to another step. But if not, you have to add it right now. I do not have my screen lock, so you can set the PIN, pattern, or alphanumeric password. I'll simply pick the pattern, redraw it, and tap on Done. And now we can decide for what we want to use our fingerprint for, or do it later and tap on New Fingerprint. I will simply mark Unlock Device, and I will be transferred to this animation where they are explaining us what we should do. And as you can see, there is an information that there is no need to lift the finger, because usually we will just put our finger on the sensor and then take it out and then put it again, and so on and so on. But now all we have to do is to actually roll, kind of slide in a circle our finger on the power button, which is right here, and that's quite innovative, I would say. All right, so let me put my finger on the sensor and then slide it, and as we can see, it is progressing. It is, I believe, recording our finger. All right, let's do it more. Okay, come on. Okay, we just did it, which is nice. So just tap on OK. I don't want to set face recognition. Here we've got some additional options regarding the unlocking. So for example here, unlock when the screen is off, rest the finger or press the button. And personally, I think that rest finger is much more comfortable, because you're simply putting your finger on the sensor, not pressing it. Here you can decide whether you'd like to feel the vibration when the fingerprint is not recognized. It's up to you. This is the fingerprint list. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it, add new fingerprint, and identify fingerprint. So all we have to do now is to check the fingerprint. So let's lock the device and let me check if it is working. So let me put my finger on the sensor, and the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.